Self-discipline is a crucial quality for achieving success and personal growth. It involves the ability to control one's impulses, stay focused on goals, and maintain consistency in actions. To cultivate self-discipline, we turn to a Zen story that offers valuable insights and 5 practical tips to embark on a journey of self-improvement and a fresh beginning. The Zen story of the lost archer. Once in a small village, there lived a skilled archer named Koji. He was admired for his precise aim and calm demeanor. One day, while wandering through the woods, he lost his way and found himself in an unfamiliar territory. Determined to return home, Koji asked a wise monk for guidance. The monk smiled and said, "To find your way back, you must first master self-discipline." Tip 1. Set clear intentions. The first step towards building self-discipline is to set clear intentions. Just like Koji aimed at hitting the bullseye, defining your goals with utmost clarity is essential. Be specific about what you want to achieve and establish a strong emotional connection to your objectives. When your intentions are crystal clear, you will find it easier to remain focused and resist distractions along the way. Tip 2. Embrace patience and perseverance. In the Zen story, Koji had to navigate through unknown terrains, but he remained patient and persistent. Self-discipline is not built overnight. It requires consistent effort and patience. Embrace setbacks and challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Keep reminding yourself that every small step counts, and success is a product of continuous perseverance. Tip 3. Practice mindfulness. Koji's exceptional archery skills were a result of his mindful approach. Practice mindfulness to develop self-discipline. By being fully present in each moment, you can better observe your thoughts and impulses. This self-awareness enables you to pause before acting impulsively, allowing for more deliberate and wise decisions. Cultivate mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or simply focusing on the task at hand. Tip 4. Create a structured routine. Koji's disciplined routine contributed to his mastery of archery. Establishing a structured daily routine can help you develop self-discipline. Allocate specific time slots for work, exercise, leisure, and rest. Stick to this schedule even when motivation wanes. Having a routine minimizes decision fatigue and reinforces good habits, making it easier to resist temptations and distractions. Tip 5. Embrace the power of consistency. Consistency is the key to self-discipline, just as it was for Koji's consistent archery practice. Make a commitment to yourself and honor it every day. Consistency strengthens self-discipline by rewiring the brain and reinforcing positive behavior patterns. Celebrate your small victories and use them as fuel to keep moving forward. Remember that even on challenging days, showing up and putting in some effort is better than doing nothing at all. Conclusion. Like the archer Koji who found his way back home with the guidance of a wise monk, you too can navigate the path of self-discipline to achieve your goals and aspirations. Set clear intentions, embrace patience, practice mindfulness, create a structured routine, and stay consistent in your efforts. Building self-discipline is a transformative journey that leads to personal growth and a fresh new start in life.